Assalamu alaikum. My name is Rizwan. We are doing this exhibition under Review of Religion marquee, and in Jalsa we are showing some of the designs which is related to from the very early period of Islamic art to modern designs as well, which we did a lot of work on the Mubarak Mosque. Here we have a kaswa from 1920, which is very unique because nowadays the kaswa is mostly in black and gold color, but this is from Ottoman time, and it's have a unique features in it because of different colors, and a great opportunity for people to visualize this. There's a lot of other things which we are going to show. We are doing demonstrations of calligraphy. Adam Williamson, a great sculptor, is accompanying me and collaborating on different things, showing the geometrical and sculpture designing, which is a great feature in Islamic art. Thank you very much.